How do fractional odds show implied probability? Imagine you're looking at a betting slip and see odds like 5 to 1. Ever wonder what that actually means about the chances of winning? Well, that's where implied probability comes into play. Fractional odds are a way to show how much you could win compared to your stake. They are written as two numbers separated by a slash, like 5/1. To understand what that means in terms of probability, you need to do a simple calculation. The formula is, take the second number, called the denominator, and divide it by the sum of both numbers, which are called the numerator and denominator. Then, multiply that result by 100 to get a percentage. For example, if the odds are 5 to 1, the implied probability is 1 divided by 5 plus 1, which is 6. So, 1 divided by 6 times 100 equals about 16.7%. This tells us that the bookmaker thinks there is roughly a 16.7% chance of that event happening. When you see fractional odds, you can convert them into implied probability to see how likely the bookmaker believes an outcome is. This helps you compare your own estimate of the chance with what the odds suggest. If you think the real chance is higher than the implied probability, then the bet might be worth considering. Fractional odds are just one way to express the same idea, and they can also be shown as decimal or American odds. The key is understanding that the implied probability is a way to translate the odds into a percentage. This makes it easier to see if a bet offers good value. When you compare your own prediction to the implied probability, you can spot opportunities where the odds might be in your favor. So, in simple terms, fractional odds show implied probability by turning the ratio of potential profit to your stake into a percentage. This helps you judge how likely an outcome is and decide if a bet is worth placing. Knowing this makes sports betting more about smart choices and less about guesswork.